On the serene coastline of Odisha, India, stands the majestic ruins of the Konark Sun Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most magnificent architectural marvels ever conceived. Often called the Black Pagoda by European sailors who used it as a navigational landmark, its name, Konark, is derived from the Sanskrit words kona, corner or angle, and arka, the sun, signifying the sun of the corner. While officially recognized as a masterpiece of Kalinga architecture, the temple is shrouded in a captivating legend that elevates it from a mere stone structure to a wonder of ancient science and engineering. The Divine Vision, a temple as a chariot. The temple was built in the 13th century by King Narasimhadeva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty around 1250 CE. It is designed as a colossal chariot dedicated to the sun god, Surya. This chariot has 12 pairs of elaborately carved stone wheels, each about 10 feet in diameter, pulled by 7 mighty stone horses. The wheels are not just decorative, they function as sophisticated sundials, with the spokes casting shadows to tell the time with remarkable accuracy. The entire structure is a symbolic representation of the passage of time. The 7 horses represent the 7 days of the week, the 12 pairs of wheels symbolize the 12 months of the year, and the 8 spokes of each wheel are said to represent the 8 prahars, 3-hour periods, of the day. The legend of the magnetic heart. While the historical record credits King Narasimhadeva I and his 1,200 artisans for its construction, a popular and enduring legend speaks of a deeper mystery. According to this tale, the temple's main tower, the Vimana or jewel, which once soared over 200 feet high, was not just supported by stone. It is said that the architects installed a massive, powerful lodestone, a natural magnet, at the apex of the main tower. Similarly, 2 other even larger lodestones were placed within the temple structure. The strategic placement of these magnets created a powerful magnetic field that was believed to have 2 miraculous functions. Suspending the idol. The central idol of the sun god, made of an iron-rich material, was said to float in mid-air within the sanctum sanctorum, held aloft by the perfectly balanced magnetic forces. This would have been a site of divine miracle, an idol defying gravity. The pulled chariot. The legend gives the chariot design a literal meaning. It was believed that the magnetic force emanating from the temple was so immense that passing ships, built with iron nails and components, would experience a powerful pull. This, the legend says, is the origin of the name Black Pagoda. Sailors feared its magnetic power could draw them off course and wreck them on the shore. The collapse and the missing magnet. The central tower of the temple now lies in ruins. The official historical and archaeological explanation points to structural weaknesses and the passage of time. The weight of the tower, built on sandy soil near the coast, combined with the erosive forces of wind and water over centuries, is believed to have caused its eventual collapse. However, the legend offers a more dramatic and intriguing reason for the fall. It is said that the delicate magnetic balance that held the structure together and kept the idol floating was disrupted. Some versions of the story claim that foreign sailors, troubled by the temple's magnetic interference with their compasses, stole the central lodestone. With its heart removed, the magnetic equilibrium was destroyed, leading to the destabilization and eventual collapse of the main tower. The floating idol came crashing down, and the chariot's divine engine ceased to function. Scientific inquiry and enduring mystery. While the floating idol is considered part of folklore, the story of the magnets is not entirely dismissed. Over the centuries, large quantities of iron have been found in and around the ruins, suggesting its extensive use in the construction. Archaeologists and historians theorize that iron beams were used as reinforcements to hold the stone blocks together. The legend of the magnet likely stems from a kernel of truth. It is possible that the temple did indeed feature a massive lodestone at its peak, perhaps as a final. The collapse of the tower could have caused this lodestone to dislodge and fall, and it may have been removed or looted in the subsequent years. The sight of the iron-rich idol and the remnants of the iron framework, combined with the memory of the lodestone, could have easily given birth to the magnificent tale of the floating deity. Conclusion: a monument to human genius. Whether the magnetic chariot is literal truth or powerful myth, the Konark Sun Temple remains a breathtaking testament to human imagination, devotion, and engineering prowess. It stands as a place where science and spirituality converged. The legend of the magnets encapsulates the awe that this structure has inspired for 800 years and also profound that the only way to explain its grandeur was to attribute it to a force as fundamental and mysterious as magnetism itself. Even in its ruined state, Konark continues to be a place where stones tell stories, not just of gods and kings, but of the limitless potential of the human mind. If you liked this story, and wish to listen to more such stories, then please subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click the bell icon.